Hey everyone, today we have our first freezing day outside, and it conveniently is the day that the furnace stopped working. And I apologize for the noisy inducer motor here. It's not ideal, but it is what it is. I just got the furnace running, but let me tell you what's going on here. So when I showed up, the house was only 50 degrees, and the thermostat was calling for heat, and the blower motor was running, but nothing else was running. So I shut the furnace off, turned it on, and I watched it do its startup procedure, and it got to the point where when you went through the little peephole, the orange igniter turned on, but it never sent any gas in. So therefore it went into its safety cycle, shut itself down, and it did a retry for, I think it was like 3 times, like that, and it was not working. So that was a sign that it's not getting gas. So the first thing I did is I went and checked the water heater pilot. The water heater pilot is lit, so I didn't have the gas shut off to the house. So the next thing I did is I cracked open the union fitting here to make sure I had gas coming to the furnace, and I could hear it hissing when I cracked that loose, so I have gas to the furnace and there's gas to the house. So I closed that back up. Next I disconnected the connector lead to the gas valve, and I put my leads on the C and the PM leads on my multimeter, and I put it on AC voltage. This should be a 24 volt AC system, and I let it power up and run through its cycle, and I watched for when the igniter turned on, and shortly after the igniter turns on, it should send voltage to the gas valve, and it did send the voltage. So that hinted that the gas valve was a problem. Next thing I did is just to rule out any of the safety systems here for the, this should be under negative pressure. It's another safety system. So I disconnected this, and I blew some air through it and sucked on it a bit to make sure that it was free and clear, and I could hear the solenoids clicking down there, so I figured that was good. So it really pointed to the gas valve being faulty. Excuse me. And what will happen is the solenoids might stick in here. So what I ended up doing is taking just something I had handy, handle, and tapped on the 2 solenoids, this one and this one. And I did that several times. I didn't think it was going to work at first because it wasn't working, but I tried it a few times, and I think it was this one that was stuck, because it eventually fired up. It's working for now. I got some heat, but chances are I'm going to need to replace this gas solenoid valve in the near future. It's probably just going to stick again. But I have heat for the moment, and I can research how much one of these costs and get one ordered. So just a quick video today. Thanks for watching, everyone.